In this video, we will learn how to use Bulk Create in Canva when you want to generate multiple results at once and we do not want to spend much time and we just want to do it quickly but efficiently. It's a very good feature on Canva. I think it comes with a subscription. I can just go in here and search for, let's say, quiz template. Yeah, let's say I like this one. It's a good format. So I'll go to the chat GPT and then here I have a prompt for him. So I say, give me 10 question and answer about computer technology, internet, etc. for a quiz in a table format. Each question must have 3 answers and the correct answer. Answer should be interesting and completely new. Okay, you can also change this to 50 to 60 to 100 and you can generate actually all of them at once. So let's click on that. Alright, so here I have all of them in here. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all of them at once and then right click and copy. Now let's go back. In order to use the bulk create, you need to click on the apps and then in here you need to search for bulk create, and then in here the first one you can see is bulk create. So you want to click on that. You have 2 ways to do this. You can enter them manually as we will copy from ChatGPT and paste it here, or you can upload an Excel data sheet. So I'm gonna do the enter data manually. So you click on that. In the bottom you need to click on clear table, right click and paste. Okay, once you do that, click on done. But before we do that, let's add a text in here. Make this 100. So in here now I need to connect the data to this one. So for example, I have the numbers. I'm going to click on the connect data and then I'll click on the first one. Second one, I have the question. I'm going to connect data with the question. Answer one, I'm gonna connect it with answer A, B with B, and C with C. And then I have the correct answer. I can delete this one and then let's make this 10 or maybe like 8. I'm gonna click on these, on each one of them, and then I'm gonna ask them to have it like, you know, up to 5. Okay, I'm gonna click each one and then I'm gonna come to here. That's that. And then I'm gonna copy this one and paste it here. So now I'm gonna drag this to the right and then I'm gonna come here. So now I have one answer in here and I'm gonna connect this data to the correct answer. So this is how it's gonna look like. So let's play it. So there we go. You have the questions and then you have the 3 answers and then you will have the correct answer. Okay, as you can see, all the data are now connected. I'm gonna click on continue and then generate 10 designs. Alright, so here we are. If I play it now, you can see I have the questions and then the correct answer in here. You can bring any changes you want. So let's say this one, you can ungroup it and then you can move the text a little bit up. You know, you can just adjust this in here. Once you adjust everything and everything looks good to you, you can also add some audio to it. You can add like, you know, subscribe button and stuff like that, or you can just go to the share button and then you want to click on the download and then from here you can just download it as MP4. Okay, once you have that, you can then go and upload it onto your TikTok or your YouTube channel as shorts. So I do hope that this video was helpful. Please do let me know if you need any help, and I'll see you next time.